If the critical process to your customers buying something is suboptimal, they're just going to go to your competition. I'm Eileen Lowry, and I'm the Vice President of Product Management for IBM Automation. Transparency is critical for the transaction process and for the customer experience, because the customer wants to see when can they get the product. And then, of course, the retailer needs to understand where to put the inventory. If I were to redesign retail operations for a new company, I'd focus on the inventory process. It's a key process for any company to make money, build customer loyalty, and continue to grow the business. The number one tip I like to provide anyone that's getting started is think big, right? But don't solution big. And a great example of that is to break down that inventory process into the different applications that it may interact with. Let's dive into how things are done today. If you've got inventory sitting in warehouses, distribution centers, in your physical brick and mortar stores, it becomes very point to point, and you miss out on the automation opportunity to enhance and automatically move that inventory based on real-time events that are happening. If we look at how we would optimize a retail process in today's world, it's going from the point-to-point integrations to having this omnichannel experience where the integrations between those different applications are much more streamlined. And this is where the use of API management software becomes critical. Inventory systems communicate with other downstream systems, whether it's promotional applications, financial performance, other ordering systems. It becomes critical to have information that you extract from those APIs to be very exact. And by using API management software, you're able to create and manage the API and what data is going from system to system, but also then the monetization that may occur. They need to use APIs to integrate those different systems so they know whether or not they can actually fulfill the order. If a company were to implement automation technology throughout their inventory process, you would see two noticeable outcomes. One is external in measuring your increase in customer loyalty, and the second is internal, and you would see a reduction in deployment time for those new applications such as promotions. If you make the transaction process that much smoother, you're just going to build and build on your customer loyalty.